Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Apple price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And starting here on the weekly chart for Apple, we are looking at 1 2 1 2 1 2 triple 1 2s, of course, toward the upside impulses, and we got even after this a micro 1 2s as well inside this wave 3 toward the upside, which is the most explosive wave 3, of course, for this impulse as 1 2 3 4 and a 5. So as you can see inside this wave 3 in the orange scenario, which is your explosive wave and massive wave toward the upside, 1 2 3 4 and a 5, you have this 1 2 1 2 1 2 as well, of course, and then looking at the wave 3, and this was the reason behind, of course, the several 1 2s that we got here. Of course, it's not possible that we got kind of like an impulse here, 1 2 3 and 4 and a 5. Your wave 3 is very short, right? So much higher possibility, of course, that this is triple 1 2s, and we're looking at 3 4 5 4 5 4 5, of course, to finish as this wave 3 in the orange scenario, and then of course a correction toward the downside again for wave 4 and a 5 and a 4 and a 5, of course 3 4 5 again, several 4 5s in the top to be finished. Now currently we are inside this wave 4 and a 5 toward the upside. We are looking here for as well kind of an ending diagonal, right? Because we see here 3 waves up and 3 waves down, 3 waves up again, probably moving toward the downside again, and then moving for higher, or probably finished here and moving for one more leg to finish this ending diagonal in this shape. However, as we take a look here, we have a 1 2 3 4. Probably your wave 4 has been hit already, as we said, and we're moving already toward the upside, meaning of course here we are looking probably to a finished, of course, move toward the upside. This was your wave 4 and a 5 here exactly, and it has finished a little bit sooner in time, right? Where we saw, of course, on the daily here, you can see very clearly A, B, and a C probably, and finishing, or W, X, Y. It can be for a wave 4 at the end, and moving for higher, right? So probably you are currently in a possible, of course, possible extended wave 4 in time. Of course, this can be as well corrective, so we have to be careful. But if we are bullish, you would like to see continuation toward the upside. So 1 2 and then 3 4 and a 5 probably, or even 1 2 3 4 and a 5 correction, and then of course continuation for higher prices to hit perfectly the wave 5 here between the 0.618 and 0.786. In case of a bearish scenario here, you are looking, of course, still for a wave 4 here in a bigger time, of course, where your wave 4 can still range, of course, a little bit here on, until it hits the 0.5 $208, and then moving for higher again for a wave 5. So these are the highest possibility, of course, between bullish and bearish scenario. Now the highest between bullish and bearish, of course, is of course still now for the bearish, right? Because the time required for this wave 4 might be, of course, need much more time. If we take a look here at the wave 2, yeah, and we compare it, we still of course need a little bit more time for a wave 4, and then moving toward the upside for a wave 5. Highest possibility probably, of course, to move down again. Target is between the 0.38, which is 219, and 208. Probably we might take, of course, a little bit lower than 219, of course, because it has been already taken. That was it for Apple. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.